The pandemic has thrown a lot of curveballs at the healthcare system, and one of them is what health trends doctors are seeing when it comes to children, Frank.
Yeah, certain illnesses are seeing a spike, while others, like asthma, are controlled in a way we haven't seen before. News 5's Homa Bash explains.
I've been a pediatrician for 38 years.
Most of that time for Dr. Abdullah Gori spent at Metro Health Medical Center, where during the COVID-19 pandemic, the pediatric department is seeing significant changes. A huge drop in asthma cases, ear infections, rashes, injuries, and seasonal illnesses like hand, foot, and mouth disease. Not because kids are getting sick and not seeking care, but because they seem to be healthier.
Probably saw less than a handful, whereas I would see a handful every day in the past. That is how significant the drop was.
What they are seeing a sharp increase of, though, is child obesity.
Because they are constantly glued in front of the computer for their virtual learning. They don't walk to the school, they don't have the gym at school, the weather is bad.
Dr. Gori says he's concerned because, as so many people know, gaining weight is easy. Losing it can be much harder. And for kids, long-term consequences can include diabetes, kidney and heart problems, cholesterol issues. At Rainbow Babies and Children's, a similar story. Asthma and seasonal illnesses are down, but they are seeing more kids with coronavirus.
We are seeing increasing numbers in Northeast Ohio, without a doubt.
From 2.2% early in the pandemic to a positivity rate now of upwards of 25%. Fortunately, doctors say the hospitalization and mortality rates are much lower than what we're seeing in adults. Still, 10 plus months into the pandemic, and physicians say they are still learning more every day.
What are going to be the long-term effects in terms of heart, in terms of lung, in terms of neurologic system? These are things that are unknowns for us.
Which is why they say it is crucial to keep focusing on prevention. You have heard it countless times by now. Mask wearing, hand washing, social distancing, especially for our kiddos. Doctors here also tell me they are seeing more cases of what's called the multi-system inflammatory syndrome in kids with COVID. They want to remind parents, take it seriously. Homa Bash, News 5.